Hi, it's Laura here at the Charleston Holistic Center. And today we're going to talk about a tidy house. Last week I talked about clown car closets. Yeah, because my husband and I were doing a lot of cleaning because we've lived in the same place for 25 years. I'm not a fabulous housekeeper. It isn't his thing so much either. And yeah, clean the main house, shove stuff into closets. Yeah, okay. So, tidy house though. When we do clean, and it is important to do this right now because this energy keeps coming through. Um, it brings up stuff, right? You clean out that closet and you hold up that thing and you're like, oh my God, this is from blank. Some instances I was looking at stuff from the 90s. Yeah, I was in grad school then. That was really a different me. And it brought up stuff. My husband cleaning out his things. He there was a jacket and it brought up things for him, and the realization that there was still stuff in there that had to be released because the tidy house isn't just the physical tidy, right? It's what's going on in here and here. So it's really important for us right now to keep doing this cleaning process. Clean it out because 2024 later is going to get a little rough, I think. So we got to clean it out now. Even when it makes you feel really weird, really upset, um, please, please do some cleaning of your life now before 2024 gets really weird. We've been doing it. We're continuing to do it until we get everything done. It's a process. It's okay. You don't have to do it just in one day. We've been at this for 2 weeks. So keep going. Keep going. You can do this. We can do this together. Clean everything out. Just saying. Thank you and namaste.